I got the Reet fam in here. And Corey in the back, jammed with the baby seats. Just picked up some picked up the wheels from old mate that I purchased off. He's got some 37s, big boy wheels, because it currently has the small boy wheels for the roadworthy. So that's a bit of a hint on what the car is going to be.
A monster truck.
A monster truck. Danny, don't give it away.
Sorry. Please.
So, we're on the way there now. I think we'll throw these wheels on it first before we reveal it, because it looks like ass on the little wheels. So yeah, that's about it, and we'll see you there. Keep it right! Oh, I farted. I'll drive this off. Alright, we're just down at BCG Performance Bogger Shop. The Ranger here. Got the old chat wheels that are off the car on the ground. And Corey's just putting the last wheel on. Ha. Hang on, Corey, I'm not filming yet. You're always jumping the gun there, son.
Got one more wheel nut.
One more wheel nut. I'll film you doing that special wheel nut, and then I'll pan out on the car. How about that? Go, Gary. Big boy wheel nut. Big boy 37s. And, oh, yeah. Big boy Tundra truck. God damn. That's one big boy. Now, the Ranger's small boy. And I got the big boy. Big 5.7 V8 thing. Oh, automatic steps. Tan man interiors. Sunroof. She nice. Oh. There you have it. Big 20, what year is it? 2014, I think. 2014 Toyota Tundra. 1794 edition or something. I don't know anything about it yet. In the sunset brown. Very nice rig. Yes, I showed the interior. I'm trying to think what else. But yeah, I don't know. What do I say about it? It's a 4B,
It's a Toyota.
not a 2B. Yeah, she's Toyota. It says Tundra on there. It says Toyota. She's got a big tray in here. Oh, hey, got stuff open. Comes with a 12-inch lift kit. I'll have to chuck a photo in there that the previous owner liked SEMA truck things and had this thing sitting like stupid high with 40-inch wheels and 12-inch lift. But the good thing about it is it's actually engineered, which you can't get anymore on these things. It is an imported American truck, and it's engineered to 6-inch lift, which is how it's sitting, and engineered on the 30. I think you can have up to, I think it was 38, so I don't know, something like that. It's on the 37s and 20-inch wheels, which looks gangster. And what else? I don't even know. It just had a cam actually put in it, which is sweet. I think the sheet's up here. So Bogger tuned it all up. He did a little intake for me before I got it, and yeah, the previous owner actually bought a cam but didn't have it installed yet, so a little bonus. Got a fresh cam, and it made 274 and 550 newton meters or something like that. I'll show you the sheet here. There she is. 264 at 5,500 RPMs or something. Not crazy revs, but I'm not sure how many speed auto it is. It should be a big tow rig. The interior is amazing and huge. Look at the back door on this thing. So much room for activities back there. I reckon Baxter will fit nicely in there. There you go. On it, there's a nice intake he's done, fresh potty. A 5.7 Toyota V8. I actually have no idea what these motors are, anything to do with them. Oh, she's a neat enough engine bay. Not bad. Yeah, that's right, big snail oil charger. What do you reckon?
5.
Alright, that's pretty much it. It's pretty much time to cruise to home. We've got to listen to it first actually, because it's missing its mufflers. They pulled them off for me so we can make up an exhaust for it. But anyway, It's got her wheels on, sitting nice and high. Nice, Gary. Not bad. Good size. She's a real big boy. Real big boy. Small boy. Big boy. Oh. So I just started driving off and realised I haven't even done the exhaust sound vid and I haven't done my cinematic shots. So let's do that. Let's start her up, Corey. What do you reckon? She's a loud boy. Too loud. We'll have to make a nice exhaust for it. Get rid of that now. Yeah.
Give her a rev, son.
Give her a rev. Yeah, we'll have to do something nice on it. It had a similar like shart sound with the mufflers. It was like real quiet with the mufflers it had on it. So I reckon we'll just go a couple of hot dogs, maybe another X pipe, go into like 3-4 inch exhaust. Try to get it sound nice like the Ranger does. Look how small it is next to it.
Huh?
Look how small the Ranger is.
Oh, we're gonna get run over here.
Get wrong.
It makes it look tiny.
There's a car.
I know, I was just waiting for it. Look at that. Small boy.
My Texas truck.
Yeah.
Made in Texas, if I didn't already say that.
I get the number plates now.
Yeah, that's right.
Some special Texas edition.
Number plates TX 1794. I don't really get it.
It's a 1794
Limited edition colours. Look how big it is. It's like triple the size of the Ranger. Poor little Ranger. What the
Little
race.
ball.
Yeah, Gary. That's it. We'll cruise home. Might get some cruise shots. But yeah. Hope you like my new rig. Or you enjoyed my review of the old rig. Now Corey's rig. Work rig. I reckon big peep at rig on the sides. Nah, can't do that. Maybe on Corey's car. I reckon. Got a big tang gang. And the whole back window goes down.
Cam's going to be watching this and being like, as if Corey gets a car. I don't even have a car.
Alright, cinematic time. Let's get out of here. What do you reckon?
What do you reckon?
I don't know how to use this thing. Oh, yeah, there's hoons on the road. Bloody hoons. Yeah. Oh, that's huge.
I know.
Let's do it. Woo! Loud as fuck.
Our neighbours are going to love us.
Oh, I forgot the train horn button. You ready?
Oh my god!
Oh yeah! How do I get out of here?
I hate it.
Which way do I go?
Yui?
How do I get out of here? Yui.
Oh my god. You probably deafened poor Corey.
My first off-road experience.
Oh. We're up the
Oh, these things are shat. So nasty. So hot. It's pretty stiff.
You hate it already.
I hate it.
so fucking stupid. I hate it. Oh. Oh my God. Special kind.
Oh, hey.
Fucking God.
That goes so fast.
If you're banging.
I think.
Don't make me horn you.
Don't. The range is definitely faster.
Never raced it. Alright. You can go a little bit further back, can't you? Oh my God. I made it back in one piece. And the verdict is she drives very nice. She's very tall, like a truck. Yeah, very nice car.
Real comfy inside.
Real comfy. Nice heated seats. She's a bit loud though, a bit nasty sounding. They did take off the exhaust just so we could make one, so that's probably first on the list of things to do. And what else on this beast? I'll probably change some wheels and tyres up. I don't mind the 20s, but I think they're like 37s. I think they look a bit stupidly big, a bit too SEMA spec still. I think I'll get like an all-terrain on there, similar to what we've got on the Ranger. And then might change up this grille. There's like a TRD Pro Edition or something that you can either get, like it's saying like Toyota or Tundra in the middle, or even just this version, just black or satin black. I think it looks nice, and you can get, I think there's like TRD Pro headlights that are like an LED style with like black insides, just look a bit more aggressive. That's about it. Oh, I almost forgot them horns back there. Danny is not a huge fan at all.
Hate them.
She
I'm
hates
having
them.
nightmares about them.
But I'll get some, I reckon we can get some good prank videos with them. Oh God, they're funny. The big boys are running off a compressor. Oh dang. 6 boys under there. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you like my new truck. And well, that's the other thing. I found out you can get a big so gooseneck hitch style like tow ball thingy that like mounts in the tray there. I think they like mount in between, just over the diff and the arches, and have the big ball in the middle. And you can get big boy trailers for them that like like 2 or 3 car carriers. I don't know if you can get away with a 3 car carrier trailer in Oz. I know they do in the US, but I think even a 2 car carrier one will be pretty gangster. Get a couple of Reet for the long distance road trips, so that'll be dope. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, Garys.